this moment on, fate will quietly begin to change for many people. Don't think I'm just saying things. This really is a deck of playing cards, right? What we're going to do next is very simple. Now, before we officially get things started today, I'm actually going to take a quick moment to write something important down on my notepad here. I'll just jot a few things down for a second, but I'm not going to show it to you just yet, okay? Just wait a little bit. All right. I won't show you for now. All right then. Next comes what I personally like to refer to as destiny. Actually, from the very first moment that we initially began this journey, right from the exact instant I said the very first word, the outcome of the whole process is actually very much predetermined, just like from the moment we wake up in the morning, what kind of day it will be, what situations will arise, what the weather will be like, and all sorts of things. These may all already be destined. This is actually a concept that we Chinese people have believed in since ancient times, a kind of fate, a predetermined theory, you could say. Many people believe in this, and I myself tend to believe it as well. In fact, from the moment a person is born to their last moment, the entire script of the process has already been set. It's just that we ourselves don't know it. We're merely the players. All right, so what's next? Please make a careful decision before I proceed. Using this angle. When sliding, any position is possible. Any grievance? Here is the cat, This card. Is this position okay? Or should I say, should I draw one more card? Is that all right? Is this position fine? No problem, right? No problem, right? There's no issue you could have chosen here, right? And you could have chosen any other place, but you specifically chose this spot, didn't you? No problem, I'll put it away first, separating it from this place so that I can't do anything with it. Change. Do you still remember the message I wrote down earlier? This is what I mentioned at the very beginning. Six of diamonds. Six of diamonds, this isn't this one, and up to now, neither is this one. It's part of fate, but maybe it's not entirely determined by fate. It might depend on luck, because it's just about a 1 in 50-something chance, so there is that possibility. Maybe I used some techniques earlier to force you to pick this card, or maybe not. That's also possible, since this is what I do, right? But what do I mean by fate? It's not knowing that there's only this one choice, only this one script, only this one direction for things to develop. You just randomly chose a six of diamonds, right? But what I want to tell you is this. From the very beginning, even from the moment you left your house this morning, up until now, it was already hinting at you. Up to this very moment, you would only choose this. Because every single one of the others is simply... oh my, they don't exist anymore.